What's up guys, welcome back to Malachi.Creates. Today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to literally freestyle a 24 by 48 canvas. I was going to do like a collage piece, but I don't know if I'm feeling it, and I could actually use this canvas for something a little bit better and practice some more techniques and freestyle some art. So let's see what we come up with. Gotta work quick with this stuff because it dries pretty quickly. So I'm gonna get some black paint in, and then I'm gonna pour all my wood glue. So I don't know why, but I just gravitated towards making like a river stream. I guess it's because I've been making a lot of these fluid art pieces that remind me of river streams from a top down, quite high up. So I'm gonna get maybe a closer view of like an alien planet and try and create like at least a pathway that looks like a river is carving out of this. Could be a river made out of hydrogen or whatever it is in an alien world. But I'm trying something here, but it's gonna be like a river system from above. That's what I'm feeling right now. So it's kind of funny, at this stage I'm kind of like, what have I got here, you know? And every single time I make something or create something, I always have this moment of feeling like, what am I doing? Like I don't like, and then you start like in yourself like, okay, just relax. It's going to evolve and it's going to adapt and it's going to become what it's supposed to be. And that's what I love about this, is that it's never wrong, you know, like you can always adapt and change things, but this is what this piece was just meant to be, because I'm just freestyling today. So it looks weird now, but trust me, trust the process. So as you can see, there's still the river line, and we're going to develop that river line as it goes along, and it's turning out to be pretty cool. I've just given it a satin black coat, and I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to do a couple more coats after this dry, just so I make sure that it's got a pure black base, and then I'm going to start working with some metallics and blues and some cool colors. It's evolving. All right, so it's fully dry now. And all I have to do now is I'm gonna make a diluted paint mixtures in some of these squeezy bottles. So this is where basically the fluid part is gonna start helping to create this piece. So let's get stuck in it. I know you're thinking, why blue on the rock? I don't know. See all of that? That is gonna do some cool things in a minute. Instead of it being all one silver tone, I've added some more colors to kind of help draw the eye to the piece. Alright, so now it's the next day. I've allowed this to dry out naturally, and it's quite fascinating to see how different it looks when it dries, which is a good thing because I like to do the liquid paint in the sections that you saw in the video. Awesome visuals, to be honest. It doesn't look the same. I mean, I actually like it because it gives it almost a natural feel when it dries. It doesn't look like it's been painted on or brushed on or even dabbed on. It's all just natural. The colors have kind of merged, and it works really well together. So the river itself has these black, turbulent sort of looking spots where it kind of gives the illusion of motion, which I'm glad it did that because that I didn't plan for. I think it turned out really cool. I didn't like it when it was just super golden and too bright, so adding in those extra colors and some greens to the top surface of the rocky areas, it turned out pretty good. I do like that it's very subtle, and it looks like a pretty cool landscape from above. I can imagine this being quite high up, and this is a massive river system with other sort of flowing rivers coming into it. That's what was bleeding into the river. It turned out pretty cool. I suggest you guys try it yourself. Like, pick up a canvas and just go with the flow. Literally. You like my shirt? It's officially my new art shirt. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel and it helps with the algorithm if you like and comment, and I appreciate all support. And stick around because there'll be more cool projects like this coming soon.